Welcome back, everyone. Yet another video. Crazy day again today. Still a lot of movement. We're seeing some selling pressure, but there's still quite a bit of buying movement. Basically, what I said. There's still some meat left on the bone. It's it's undecided what's going to happen for sure, but as I said, I still think there's some meat left on the bone. I will be talking about a few news articles which I think confirm this, that there's still lots of bullish news, and at least in the foreseeable future, a lot of good news for crypto in general and Bitcoin, of course. Uh, we will have a short look at our portfolio we created yesterday, which is already in profit. Who said buying the top was bad? Um, and other than that, we will be looking at the chart a little bit as well. And I want to do these. I want to create these news videos daily, and I want to keep up the updates as we go. Before I do that, one more time, please leave a like and subscribe. Especially if you like the videos, of course. If you want to subscribe and keep updated on everything I post. If you have a question, feel free to leave a comment as well. Please watch the whole video. Watch to the end of the video. I'm sure every topic I speak about is something you will find interesting, especially if you're into crypto. And as I always say, everything I say is my personal opinion, my personal facts to me, and please take them as such. All right, let's get into the rest of the video. All right, here we are again, back at CoinMarketCap. Still above the 3 trillion. Even though we fell a little below it, and I thought we were having a bigger pullback, had with me a lot more people, a lot of shorts liquidated. I've seen people lose a lot of money on that, and I always say never bet against the market, especially when a market is so euphoric. With Trump winning, with all crypto regulations becoming better, Elon Musk becoming the department manager or the secretary of Doge. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. But with all this euphoric news, honestly, I'd be very scared of shorting the market right now. Not that you couldn't have made money with it today, because obviously you could have, because we've had a big movement, but I'd be sweating bullets all the time. But yeah, above 3 trillion, fear and greed index, extreme greed still. As I said, we're still very high. We're quite high in the greed index now. So I do expect a little pullback whenever we reach a little higher, maybe. But we'll look at the charts for that. Bitcoin a percent down in an hour. Overall, still higher than yesterday. A new all-time high, even. So, yeah, nothing to worry about. Solana, everything. Like the altcoins are still a little lagging, and I have found a little news article about Ethereum. So I think Ethereum will be one of the next to shoot up. Ethereum and Solana, Doge obviously already has. I do think we will be seeing bigger pushes to the alts as well. I do think it'll take some time. Like the focus for everyone at this point is mainly on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin becoming a full-fledged asset, really. So the attention has to shift from Bitcoin to the alts. It won't happen simultaneously, in my opinion. But yeah, crypto bull market arrives. Analysts say buy everything you can. I'm a little bit more nuanced than that, but yeah, with 200k Bitcoin target by 2025. I mean, honestly, I was skeptical, but we're so close to 100 right now that yeah, I think this is possible. This could very well happen, and even in Bitcoin, that's still another 100%. So if you haven't bought yet, or if you're just getting into it, or if you watched yesterday's video with our DCA portfolio, this basically means everything we buy in the coming months will be worth more at the end of next year. So to me, that makes it a very safe buy. It's a very safe investment option, or at least, even if it could be risky along the way, we could see dips and crashes and whatever, but the goal is 200K. So in the long run, the longer we hold, the more we make. But Bernstein calls for aggressive crypto investment amid pro Bitcoin policies. Welcome to the crypto bull market. Buy everything you can. I mean, with messages like this coming out, it can only be interpreted as one thing: Bitcoin's going to go up. Bitcoin's going to go up in the long run, and yeah, as I said, it surpasses the 3 trillion and 93,000. A few weeks ago, I would have said no way, but yeah, I'm glad to be proven wrong on that. I'm glad to be holding Bitcoin. Uh, and yeah, I intend to buy more, as I do every month, and as we will keep track of in our DCA portfolio. Now, a little bit about Solana. It's 225 is a new high on the horizon. I think so. Like I also said with Ethereum, I think Solana will get its turn. We will have to wait. We will have to wait till the volume in Bitcoin shifts to the altcoins, where people say, all right, Bitcoin's risen enough. Now let's see what else there is to get in the market. What else can we grab? And people will be looking, especially new people in crypto, will be looking at cheaper crypto coins, because like new people in crypto don't understand the concept of market caps or market supplies. So they will be looking at cheaper ones. So Ethereum, also quite expensive. Solana is 10 times cheaper, or maybe a little bit more, but roughly 10 times cheaper in the price. So Solana, you could actually own whole coins easier on a lower budget. That makes Solana, and that alone makes Solana an attractive investment. I like Solana just because I like the network and the ease of use and the low gas fees. So, and the speed of it, the general speed of the network. So, yeah, Solana, I think, is here to stay. And as everything moves up through the years, I think Solana will follow it for sure. A little bit about our crypto portfolio. So we're up a whopping 2% after yesterday. So we opened our positions, our holdings yesterday. Our average buy price on Dogecoin were up 5%, Solana 2%, Bitcoin 3.5%, BNB a little bit down, and Ethereum a little bit down. So obviously, in a day on a spot buy, this is not going to move huge levels, especially after rising so much already. But this is what we will be reviewing after a year. Like if Bitcoin does reach 200K by 2025 or the end of 2025, we will have started this, and I will have a proven track record of our dollar cost averaging strategy. Viewable by video basically every month. Obviously, I will be speaking about this throughout most of my videos, or I will be revisiting it. But every month, we will be putting more into our basic DCA portfolio, just to prove the concept. And this is what I do with my own money on the back end as well. Only I haven't documented that as well from the start. So I thought this would be a cool idea to keep the track of this. Basically, to prove to anyone who's new in crypto, you can make money in crypto just by buying every month. Regardless of the price or what's happening, just buy every month, buy some crypto. Obviously, there can be some bad years, but there will be some good years, which in our expectations will balance out the bad years. All right, so a little bit of the Bitcoin chart. Oh, as we're talking, we're now actually broken down to the 90K. When I was starting this video earlier this evening, we were actually holding this level a little bit. So yeah, it is a big red candle. I'm eager to see how far we go down. I'm glad I've taken some profits, and if we do go further down, I will just buy back in. I will buy more. Basically dollar cost averaging strategy, but I trade a little bit. I'm never fully out of Bitcoin. I'm never fully in. I always keep some cash on the side to be able to uh, take advantage of these opportunities. Do we go further up? I'm exposed to the upside. Do we go down? I'm exposed. I can buy. I have the funds to buy the dips. Let's grab Solana real quick here. It seems to be lagging on that chart. For some reason, it keeps reverting to BNB. Let's grab Solana. Solana is a little more stable, but there's less volume, so it kind of relates. But Solana held this level quite nicely today, at least for now. Obviously, we won't know what Bitcoin, if it's a bigger crash in Bitcoin, this will most likely follow. If it does, I'm always up to buy a little bit more Solana. I'm a big fan of it. So, same with Bitcoin. If Solana dips, I buy Solana as well. I have like a top 5-7 coins. Whenever I see big movements down, I just buy a little bit more. I don't even look at why it's happening. I just buy a little bit more. That being said, our news message, crowd sentiment Solana, it's all a bit lower. That's when I want to be buying. When we're basically in the negative, basically when we're in the negative, when the fear and greed index is on fair, when markets are red, that's when you want to be buying. When everyone else is selling, we want to be buying. So I read somewhere around here. All right. There is a strong potential to pursue the all-time high of 260. Now, 260, 300 is the goal in surpassing the all-time high. So I have 300 here, 260 as 250 was mentioned in that article as well. Why? And 230. Now, why do I have it on 240? Because Bitcoin was so strong. I think it will blow past the 230 mark, and 240 maybe we'll see a little bounce back down to the 30, but the 240 mark will be more important in my eyes because it's closer to the 250 260 mark, where I think we will see a rejection, and then it's waiting to see if we level out and push further up, or if we revert and bounce down. And it also depends on what happens with Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin will, well, let's just quickly, like, it's selling volume, but it's not huge volume. It means big, but it's not huge. We're not seeing massive pushes down. It's fairly reasonable selling pressure after such a high rush up. So I'm still not concerned by this, not in the least. I still think we are still very bullish. It's just people taking profit, companies taking profit. I think will level out again, and I think we will see another push up. But as I said, we're protected to both the upside and the downside, so either way is fine. So I just wanted to do this short little update. I will be trying to keep this up daily. I will be talking about some news articles I find daily as well. And yeah, once again, if you have any comments, please leave a like and a subscribe, of course. But also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Ask a question. You wanna ask my opinion. You have your own opinion, also very important. Feel free to share. And yeah, other than that, guys, have a great evening. See you tomorrow.